The race is on. Rushing up is Erica's Champ from the outside. Peace and Love Bebot Karma. Smart and Noble is running down on the inside. It's now Peace and Love followed by Karma from the outside. Bebot's running by the row. And inside the last 900, Karma followed by Deputy Just down on the inside. Erica's Champ, Peace and Love, Bebot, and Smart and Noble racing in 6 from the outside. Yay, Askerade third last. Another far turn. It's Deputy Just from the outside. Erica's Champ, Karma, Bebot, Peace and Love, Smart and Noble. Yay! Askerade closing in 6 by Drell as they race the final corner. Erica's Champ takes the lead from Deputy Jazz. Peace and Love. Yay! Askerade down on the inside as they race the last 150. Erica's Champ, Deputy Jazz once again. Peace and Love making room by Drell. It's now Peace and Love by about 2 lengths, and finally Peace and Love, Erica's Champ, Deputy Just close, Karma in fairness. Yay,